Hello and welcome to pre-conference podcast for the Efficient Mining Operations Summit. Today we have a great pleasure of introducing to you our presenting partner, Jennifer Thomson, Chief Growth Officer, MachineMax. Jennifer, thank you very much for being with us today. Thank you for joining.
Thanks for having me, Olga.
Well, I have already a first question. Please tell us about MachineMax and your role in the company.
With pleasure. So MachineMax, we're a decision-making tool. Really what we try to do is consolidate data from all kinds of sources on a site. Historically, these kinds of data have been really siloed. And what we're setting out to do is bring everything into a single place so that our customers have the right data at the right time so that they can make the best decisions for their operations. So that in a nutshell is what MachineMax does. What I do is I look after the growth, which covers the product and how we build the product. It covers UX and the user experience and how our customers perceive our product. And then also we look at it from a more commercial perspective. So, we have a big vision where we want to get to, but want to make sure that the way in which we're focusing on things solves the most pressing issues for our customers, which makes our customers happy, but then also helps us in getting our bottom line targets too. So that's me and MachineMax.
Great, thank you very much for your answer here. At the summit, you are going to talk about digitizing decisions for more productive future. Could you please elaborate a bit more on why it is timely to discuss this particular topic?
Yeah, I think what we've seen in the mining and generally operations intensive industries is that right now there's a really big focus on sustainability. A lot of our customers and in general the wider industry is focusing on really big shifts and big changes, which honestly only deliver change in the medium and longer term. And so what we're doing is focusing on what we can do right now. And a lot of that just involves getting data together in a single place, making some short-term changes which have an impact on costs, they have an impact on the sustainability and ultimately increase productivity, which are always are very topical and on our key focuses. So we focus on the short term where we can add value immediately to deliver across those pillars.
I see. Thank you here for the answer. And our final question for today, for our pre-conference podcast, is what are the challenges that industry should be prepared for in the near future when actually dealing with data and digitalization?
Yeah, I think that's a very interesting question. We often get comments from customers in that they're struggling to know how to make changes, how to use their data. With the advent of technology, it's brought a lot of really great solutions to operations, but often that means that data is getting even more siloed. Like individual departments are using their own platforms that's not getting shared across departments. Different departments are going and buying solutions which offer similar outcomes but tailored to them. And so I think the biggest challenge right now is how do you bring it all together in one place? Because the benefit of tech is that it's a level playing field, but what we're seeing is that it's almost becoming a lot more siloed. And so yeah, I think that is a very big challenge right now is breaking the data fragmentation and making sure that things aren't getting siloed, that end users aren't getting overwhelmed with too much data so that they don't even know what to do with it. And so really it's about taking a step back. How do we simplify all of this? How do we get it into one place? And then share the right amount of data to the right departments at the right time is really the goal.
Great. Thank you very much, Jennifer, for your answers today, for being with us on our pre-conference podcast dedicated to Efficient Mining Operations Summit. We are excited to meet you in person this May in Barcelona and welcome MachineMax to be our presenting partner.
Thanks very much, Olga. Looking forward to it.